This is acrylic pen. Acrylic pen, kita coba tulis di atas acrylic pen, pen marker. Dan itu bisa.
What for, Mommy? What for?
Coloring.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can I also?
Can. The orange color is not so good.
The red color is very good.
The pink more better.
This is red. The one
Red.
that I'm holding is red.
But it's more like pink, dark pink. I try the yellow one.
You try the yellow one?
Yeah.
Mom, you should also color here. Color here, Mommy.
No.
Okay.
Just only this one. Skip in here. Don't same color. L in the pink in the L. This one another color.
Okay, then we're gonna just do this one. Let's just do this one, Mommy. And then I need chair. I need this.
Okay. Can the pen marker color in the acrylic pen? Can, but not so good, yeah. The color not so bright. The green one is more better and the pink one is more better. See, orange and yellow not so good. Yes. I think can. This means pen maker can color on the acrylic pen.
This is very hard, Mommy.
No, you can do it.